From this point, we can translate our mappings from the software that we had exported it to a importable format. So the first thing I'll do is, as on the left, you'll see that these column fields, they match our header rows on the left. So I'll want to match these to the appropriate fields on the export mapping column. The ID will be the employee identifier, the department rate. Let's type in department here. Each one of these fields are searchable. Rate, we can type in rate. And then when we get down here to our actual data, the hours, the reg, this column D, this is actually a column where the header is the earnings code and each one of the rows is our data or our number of hours. So in this case here, if we scroll down a bit, you'll see the earnings code, but instead we'll want to select earning code header with data row. And again, that's because the header is our earnings code and each one of the rows is our data. The same way for the overtime, we'll want to select the earnings code with the header. Now when we get to our code 1 and our hours 2, over here you'll see that we have a vacation hours for 20 vacation hours. This is a little bit different where our code is in one column and our hours is in another column. In this situation, you would want to select the earnings code for code 1, and then for hours 2, you would want to select the hours or the amount here. Notice that when you do this, it creates a new field link, and what you'll want to do is you'll want to link these two so you know that all of these hours or dollars are linked to this earnings code. And all you have to do is put some text in here and make sure that the two texts are exactly the same. By doing this, you've now created a link between code 1 and hours 2. And then for our bonus, this is going to be similar to our regular and overtime, where it is a earnings code header and each one of the rows is our data points. Once you have selected your appropriate mappings that will be exported, click Save Format.